life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
guys, kita sudah sampai di lokasi guys. Desa tertinggi di Indonesia, Ranupani. Desa Ranupani, desa tertinggi di Indonesia guys.
Langsung parkir.
Oke, sampai guys.
Oke ya Pak, biar mereka gemetar kaki lantai.
Guys, ini Danau Ranupani guys. Di desa yang tertinggi di Indonesia, Ranupani. Luar biasa guys. Danau sangat indah sekali guys. Ini guys, Danau Ranupani guys, yang diresmikan oleh Menteri kita, Menteri Pariwisata dan Ekonomi Kreatif, Bapak Sandiaga Uno. Danau di Desa Ranupani sangat indah sekali guys. Suasana yang sangat sejuk. Telah diresmikan tempat wisata Danau di Desa Ranupani. Diresmikan oleh Menteri Pariwisata dan Ekonomi Kreatif Bapak Sandiaga Salahuddin Lumajang 19 September 2021. Langsung danaunya guys. Dan atasnya Gunung Semeru. Ada tribunnya buat acara-acara, buat spot foto. Dan keren sekali. Cocok buat tempat wisata guys. Di situ ada rumah adat, bisa singgah di situ kalau mau liburan bersama keluarga. Ini oleh perbukitan. Desa Ranupani Lumajang. Oke guys, kita rombongan satu tim Desa Ministry dalam perjalanan trip di Desa Ranupani, Lumajang, Jawa Timur. Ini para pendekar ini guys. Pendek mekar. Tadi malam kita kesiksa guys tidurnya guys. Yang nggak pernah kesini kesiksa guys.
Murah Pak. Iya tak cekel ngene iki gampang Pak. Cekel ngene iki murah. Pokoke ditemok, ngedit ngono berarti.
guys, danaunya. Danau di Desa Ranupani guys. Keren nih guys. Kita langsung disuguhkan dengan gunung. Dekat dengan Gunung Semeru guys. Sangat-sangat keren guys. Cocok buat spot foto ini. Nah, turun ke bawah, langsung kita menghadap ke danau guys. Danau di Desa Ranupani, Lumajang. Ayo langsung cus kunjungi. Foto di sini, mantap, mantap. Oke. Jos. Nah, ini mau berpose foto. Keren banget guys ini guys. Ini harus dikunjungi guys. Ini guys, buat camping dekat danau. Ini guys, jaga kebersihan. Ini ada toiletnya. Nah, ini cocok nih buat camping guys, bersama keluarga. Ini ada rumah. Nah, buat camping. Jalan setapak di Desa Ranupani guys, Ranuregulo. Ini guys, Ranuregulo, Ranupani. Akan keren guys ini guys. Ini harus dikunjungi guys. Cocok buat camping keluarga. Langsung danau menuju danau lagi guys. Nah, sini berikan tenda, bermalam di sini, paginya sunrise, menikmati sunrise di atas. Nah, ini langsung guys, pagi-pagi subuh sunrise, langsung danau, spot foto keren guys. Ayo yang belum pernah ke sini, langsung cus Ranupani Lumajang. Oke, belakang tribun ini guys, langsung menghadapkan desa Ranupani, desa tertinggi di Indonesia, dekat dengan Gunung Semeru guys. Pemandangannya sangat bagus dan sangat indah guys. Keren ini guys, buat destinasi wisata. Sini ada homestay-nya guys, kalau mau bermalam di sini, mau menginap, dan paginya sunrise, bisa menikmati sunrise di dekat danau. Keren guys. Yang belum pernah ke sini boleh dicoba di Desa Ranupani, Lumajang, Jawa Timur. Oke guys, sekian vlog dari gua Billy Miracle. Terus jangan lupa like, comment, share, and subscribe di channel gua guys, Billy Miracle. Sampai ketemu di destinasi wisata berikutnya. Bye bye.